going to be an update video. I have been very slacking a lot, muchly, on making YouTube videos. I want to update you guys and let you guys know where I am, what's going on, what the plan is for the future, that kind of thing. For those of you guys that don't know, I started selling on Whatnot back in June. I think June 20th, 20-something, 22nd, I think, was my first live sale on Whatnot, and ever since then I have been hooked. Today is October 18th. My oldest actually turned 18 on the 16th. One of my daughters turns 6 tomorrow. Crazy month of birthdays. But anyway, it's October 18th. I've been on there for almost 4 months and I've literally been so obsessed with it. I have been loving it. You guys know I make YouTube videos and I was a reseller, still am a reseller. But to be able to put the two together, it's literally like a dream come true. It really is. So that's where I've been on Whatnot. I stopped listing on Poshmark probably back in, maybe not June, but probably July. I do big Lululemon shows on Saturday night and I make more in that like 2.5 hour stream than I was making in a month on Poshmark. It's crazy. It is crazy. A lot of people right now are saying, oh, Whatnot, you know, the trend is over, the fad is dying, da 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 da. I think it's just kind of like maybe leveling out a little bit. It's definitely not dying. Whatnot is not going anywhere anytime soon. No. I think a lot of people are moving over to Poshmark because Poshmark has live sales now. I actually signed up to do a live sale back in September and I never ended up doing it. I was like, I like Whatnot too much. I'm not going to do it. So I didn't do that live sale. But then I'm like, you know what? Why don't I just give it a try? Because I've been all about Poshmark for a few years now. So why don't I just give it a try? So I am doing a Poshmark live sale on October 20th. That is 2 days from now when I'm filming this video, 8 o'clock Eastern. So if you want to catch me on Poshmark live, I will have a link to my Poshmark closet down below. But yeah, I figured I'd just give it a shot just to see like the differences. I've watched a few Posh live shows and yeah, there definitely are some things that I don't like, but I will for sure make a video after I do my first Posh show, kind of comparing Poshmark and Whatnot and letting you guys know my thoughts. I feel like within the last like week or maybe 2 weeks, a lot of people have been moving back to Poshmark, like a lot of the bigger sellers. They've been like, oh, I miss listing. I'm going back to Poshmark. It's like, how can you? Whoa, bleh, bleh. I listed a few things on Poshmark yesterday or 2 days ago. I'm like, I didn't miss this shit. I didn't miss the photographing and the listing and da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I mean, granted, you do kind of have to do that on Whatnot. I mean, you don't have to take photos on Whatnot. You don't have to put like full descriptions and stuff. Like you do in a sense, not as much, like you don't have to put as much on Whatnot as you do on Poshmark, if that makes sense. But yeah, I didn't miss listing. Don't miss having to share. I just am literally all about Whatnot. I'm gonna make a separate video talking about my Whatnot, like regrets, if you will. I actually have one yesterday, guys. Okay, so going back to like listing on Whatnot. When you create a show, I mean, you don't have to do this. You can just do it on the fly. I think it's a lot easier if you have a store preloaded as opposed to doing it as you're live. I feel like that wastes people's time. It's just, I don't know. I don't like going to lives where shit isn't loaded in the store and people just do it like on the fly. I don't like that. So yesterday I was like, oh, I'll try something different. I put numbers, like I numbered everything, and then I put sizes. I didn't put descriptions. I didn't say what the things were. Yesterday I had to ship out orders from 3 different shows. So it was like well over 100 things that I had to ship out. So I went to do my show from yesterday and I stupidly pulled everything off the hangers and I'm like, oh fuck, now I don't know which thing was which. So that was a big regret. That's a big regret I have. If you're gonna do the number system, put descriptions or don't be an idiot like me and take things off the hangers before you actually package shit up. That was a headache. I'm still kind of dealing with that. I had to message some people. I'm like, hey, what did you buy from me yesterday? And a couple of them were like, I don't remember. I'm like, oh my gosh. I totally relate though, because I spend so much money on Whatnot and like sometimes people don't have descriptions or pictures of things. And I'm like, what did I buy from them? I don't remember. That was a big regret. Another regret that I have that I will talk more about in a different video is I do a lot of shout outs on Whatnot, and there are a few that I definitely regret doing because I feel like I was used. I was totally used. I was used to get a shout out and they gained followers and now they're just like not good people. I'm not going to name names. I know you guys are probably like, oh my gosh, tell us who, but I'm not going to do that. It's definitely something I regret, shouting out some people that didn't really deserve it. I'll talk more about it in another video. But I do have like a couple of other regrets that I will talk about in another video. I want to start doing like Q&A style videos about Whatnot. You guys know how I had my Poshmark series. I literally have like 200 videos talking about Poshmark. If you guys have any questions on Whatnot, you can leave them down below. You can DM me on Instagram and I will do like a Whatnot Q&A type video. But yeah, I think that's all I want to tell you guys in this video. I will link my Poshmark closet down below. Again, my first show there is October 20th at 8 o'clock Eastern. And then I'll also link my Whatnot down below. I have shows there multiple times a week. If you guys want to see a really, really great show, if I do say so myself, like I totally have the best Lululemon show on Whatnot. Like I'm tooting my own horn, toot, toot. I have some fire Lululemon things. I really do. And I have a lot of amazing belt bags. This Saturday night in particular is going to be amazing. Whatever this Saturday night is, I'll have it down below. Lululemon show, 8:30 Eastern. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say in this video. Again, if you guys have any questions or anything about Whatnot, if you want to see any like videos in particular about Whatnot, comment down below and let me know. Again, I will do a video after I do my first Poshmark live, like comparing the two. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say in this video. I guess I know my last two videos have been like drama, but I definitely needed to make those videos to let you guys know. And I mean, just for the record, again, I'm still fucking mind blown that people still support that piece of shit. Like it's mind blowing. So now I just want to make this update video. I miss you guys. I miss making videos. I really do. I'm gonna commit to like 2 to 3 videos a week. I gotta do this. I've been doing YouTube for 16 years, you guys. This is the longest I've gone without like uploading consistently. But I'm gonna get into it. I promise you guys, because I miss you guys. And some of you guys have said you miss me on here. So 2 to 3 videos a week I'm committing to, okay? All right, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.